This robot chef is cooking better than most humans, and it's mind-blowing. Meet Zippy, the AI-powered chef created by this person called Nikhil Abraham that's already cooking alongside Michelin-Star chefs. It's trained on over 5 million recipes and can learn new dishes from just one demonstration. The craziest part? You can hire Zippy for commercial kitchens for just $12 an hour. And it's not limited to just basic meals. It handles everything from Italian to Indian cuisine using multimodal perception and heat transfer modeling just like expert chefs. The future of restaurant kitchens is already here, and it's absolutely wild. Subscribe for more mind-blowing AI tech.